Hi everyone, this is Mahmood Hassan. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. We have started the landed cost module in D365 Finance and Operations. In this video, we will discuss about the Voyage statuses in landed cost module in D365. For this demonstration, I will create a new purchase order and process it to the different statuses of the Voyage. Let's get started. For the PO creation, I will go to the Accounts Payable module. Under Purchase Order, click on All Purchase Orders. To create a new PO, click on New, add the vendor to the purchase order. Let's say Acme Office Supplies is my vendor. I will change the site and warehouse to which I want to receive my products. Let's say it's double one. My accounting and request receipt date will remain the same as per the today's date. Click on OK. I will add the product to this purchase order. Let's say LC 0002 is my product and I will update the quantity to 500. Click on save and I will confirm this PO as well. Click on confirm and then click on OK. You can see that if I go to the delivery tab, under line details delivery tab, my requested receipt date is my today's date, that is 1/12/2024, and my confirmed receipt date is blank. Let me duplicate my tab and I will add this purchase order to a Voyage. Open my purchase order again. Under purchase, under landed cost, I will create a new Voyage. Type in the description, let's say Voyage statuses dash demo. Fill in the vessel details, fill in the journey template. My mode of delivery is updated by the journey template because it is already assigned on the journey template. Click on OK. Okay, to add this purchase order to a Voyage, select this purchase order and add to staging list. I will click on view staging list. I will assign this product into a single shipping container. Add to a new shipping container. Fill in the shipping container information and click on OK. Okay, so my shipping container information, my voyage status and sales order status is populated on this form. If I go to my Voyage and under the journal tab under inquiries, click on the tracking. So this is the track control of the Voyage. Some of the record, as you can see there, some of the record is already populated there on this form. I will talk a little bit later on how this legs or this record is populated there on this form. Right now I will click on edit and update the start date of the first record. Let's say I will start it today and click on save. You can see that my estimated end dates are calculated and populated there on this form. My estimated end date of the last activity, that is 40 local, on this form is 10/12/2024. If I go to the purchase order and click on refresh, you can see that my confirmed delivery date 10/12/2024 is updated there on the purchase order. Okay, so we will see that how this estimated end date is populated on the confirmed receipt date of the purchase order. For this, I will duplicate this tab and go to the landed cost module. Under delivery information setup, I will click on tracking control center. And in tracking control center, under create type, I will select the blank, and the second record, you can see that the source table is shipping container activities table, that is exactly that form. And the estimated source field table is estimated end date, that is the estimated end date of this form. This data will be copied to the target table, that is purchase order lines, and target field is confirmed receipt date. So we have defined that from this table, and this estimated end date will be populated on this purchase order confirmed receipt date. Okay, so that is how the system is assigning the estimated end dates to the confirmed receipt date of the purchase order lines. Now I will go to the, we will see how these legs are populated on the inbound tracking control form. For this, I will go to the Voyage again, click on the generate template, and you can see that the Voyage legs are defined there on this generate template form in a sequence or in a chronological order. For the first record or first leg, that is 10 load, description is load cargo from and two ports are assigned, and mode of delivery is also assigned. For this second one, that is a second leg, for this from port to port and mode of delivery is assigned, and it is same for the rest of the other records. Now we know that from where these legs are coming from on this inbound tracking form. Now we need to understand that how these activities are being calculated, and the estimated end dates are calculated for these activities. For this, I will again go to the tracking control center. Under create type, I will select the lead time. You can see that I will select the first record. You can see that the source table is shipping container, the source field is start date, the target table is shipping container activities, and target field is estimated end date. And for the leg 10 load, you can see that the activity is load and the lead time is 1. If I move to the second record, you can see that the leg is 30 customs, the activity is customs, and lead times is 3 days. For the third record, you can see that that is leg is 40 local, the activity is local, and the lead time is 2 days. and for the fourth record you can see that the leg is there and the activity is air and the lead time is 3. So if I go back to the inbound tracking form, you can see that how these activities and estimated end dates are being calculated on this form. Okay, so if I go to the actual end date, let's say my actual end date is a day before my estimated end date. I will select the 1/12/2024 in the actual date end date and click on the save. You can see that my estimated end date is also updated because I am a day ahead of my estimation. If I go to the all purchase orders, the confirm receipt date was 10/12/2024. If I go to the refresh and refresh my page, you can see that my updated confirm receipt date is populated on the confirm receipt date tab. And one thing the system has also updated that I want to show you. If I go back to the Voyage, the previous status was the 10 created. If I refresh, it is changed to the 20 GIT. So how this status is changed from created to the 20 GIT. If I go back to the tracking control again and in the status update, you can see that if my source field is actual end date is updated and my activity will be load and my leg will be 10 load, then the system will copy or update the voyage, shipping container, item and transfer order line statuses to the 20 GIT. If I move to the second record, you can see that if the actual end date of this activity, that is customs, and the leg will be 30 customs, then the system will update the voyage, shipping container, item and transfer order line. Transfer order, by the way, is not applicable there in my scenario, but system will update the voyage, shipping container, item statuses to 40 cleared. And if I go to the next record, you can see that if my actual end date will be updated, my activity that is local, my leg that is 40 local, and my voyage status will be updated to from the existing status to the 50 80 WHS. So if I go back and on the tracking control form and update the this leg actual date, let's say it is 4/12/2024 and click on save, go back and you can see refresh the page, you can see that my voice status is updated to 30 arrived. And if I go back again to the tracking inbound tracking form, click on edit, update my end date status, click on save, go back, my current status is 30 arrived. If I refresh this page and it is updated to 40 cleared. So that is how the system is updating the voyage statuses and also updating the estimated and actual delivery dates for the purchase order. That is it for the today's video. We will meet in our next video. Stay tuned. Till then, bye bye.